The Renpho Morphoscan versus Hume Health Body Pod Smart Scale Comparison. Both the Renpho Morphoscan and Hume Health Body Pod are advanced smart scales offering deep body composition tracking, but they're designed for different types of users. Hume Health Body Pod focuses on clarity, simplicity, and coaching style feedback. It uses multi-frequency BIA and 8 sensors to track 45 plus body metrics with guided visuals, segmental fat and muscle breakdowns, and automatic user recognition. The app is clean and user-friendly, ideal for beginners or anyone who wants help interpreting their health data. It even shows 2D body visuals for fat and muscle zones. Renpho Morphoscan goes for raw data depth with over 50 body metrics and a built-in display on the handle that shows results instantly. It's budget-friendly and perfect for tech-savvy users who want lots of info and are comfortable navigating a less polished app interface. It supports trend tracking and detailed analysis, but lacks the visual guidance of Hume. Bottom line. Choose Hume Health if you want a sleek, beginner-friendly scale with clear coaching and segmental insights. Go with Renpho Morphoscan if you're more advanced and want high-level tracking at a lower price. Do your own research first.